hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Yes, my people, big up on yourself, man. Blessings. So now, people, I want to ask myself and said, New Link, why you always get some kind of story you have to talk about? Why? You know? But in the end, when I look and I say, New Link, you are the man who fit for this job, you know. New Link, you're the attacking boss. New Link, you're the man who have to put the message out there so people can understand what go on when people reach out to you and decide they want the story to be heard out there. And that's what I'm gonna do now. So now my viewers and subscribers in, one of my fans, my viewers, a female, a subscriber also, reach out to New Link and say, New Link, I have a story that's going on in my life now and I really want to share it. The person said, New Link, I'm a female, you understand, big woman in my 40s, living in the UK, New Link. I'm from a Jamaican background, but I live in UK for many years now. This female said, New Link, hear my story. Well, I'm actually married at the moment. My second marriage, you understand? Because my first marriage at first was with a Jamaican man. It lasts for a couple years well, you understand? But things go down the lane, it never work out. Said now, New Link, I have a second marriage now, you understand, which I really want to talk to you about. Which I married to this man from 2017. Well, people, now New Link I go into it. Well, the female said, New Link, I'm married to this man. He's 35 years old right now. You understand? He's a teacher in Jamaica. He's a teacher at the time, you understand, of his marriage, because right now he's not doing the teaching. Well, the female said, I brought this man New Link to the UK. You understand, because marriage and everything, but I do brought him to the UK. But before New Link do go into the UK part, people, me I go tell you the history behind this teacher, man. She said, New Link, how I do meet this teacher, right? It was a friend I have who is a pastor. And him know my situation that I always love Jamaican man. And I have a marriage that didn't work out, that ended. And he know that, you know, we always reason and talk. So one day him link me and say, no, I have a really nice man. He's a teacher. And, you know, him introduce, and at first he say, you know, you know, say, alright, we know we can see and talk and see where it goes. So she says she do contact this man and they do have a conversation, my people, right? In the end, friendship getting long and going there, going strong and everything. So she said one day, you know, because they have this close relationship, she have some money that she would like to, you know, send off in her account and things like that, account, and she asked this man, say, can you collect such and such money for me? And he said, no problem, man, for sure I will do it, you know. So in the end, people, the man said to her, you know, I have a little problem like another time before. And the man said, you know, I have a little problem though, because I have a truck and the condition of the truck don't look so good. You know, I want to get the truck spray and thing, and it just look weird, awful. They said, how much to do the truck? He said, the man said something like 15 to 14,000. Not New Link, don't quite remember. What another reason the people see? So she said, the man, she said, alright, no problem, take it out there and thing and just do that for me. In the end, people, so she trust this man so much and everything. After that, she managed to go Jamaica and meet up with the man. And when she do go Jamaica, people, so the man said to her, you know, me have something to tell her though. I'm really sorry, you know, somebody running into some problem out here and everything. And all of the money we sent to me use it. So she can't believe. She said, why you do me something like that? Why you never tell me? And in the end, people, she forgive him and thing. Continue, they end up, you know what I mean, get to know each other more. And, you know, relationships start now and then, traveling back and forth. You know, have the look ups and downs. She said, at one time, while she over UK, the man tell her, say, you know, so me have a toothache problem. A teeth in my mouth that give me hell of problem. Every night I just be a pain, you know, the teeth are twisting jawbone, people, infection in the old teeth when you have in the mouth. So she comes up and she send money, ask him how much to do the teeth, and she send money go give him for do the teeth, people. She said when she do send the money and everything, people, she believes her quite teeth fine and quiet. And next time She talk to the man, cause she send money and the man say take out the teeth. And next time she talk to the man couple of months down the line now. She man start tell her about the same teeth. So she say I never send money to come give you to do the teeth already. So the man say no, me ain't never talk about the teeth. Say you don't remember that? So the man say no. Say oh my bro, oh my piece. So she say she really send money again go give people for do the same old piece of teeth. In the end, people. Well, me not go part up more than that story now. So let me just go back down to yes now. She's come so boom now, right? And go back Jamaica back and forth. So she said one day, the man said, no, say better we just get married and thing. And you know, so she said she was kind of scared. So she said, in the end, they do come together and they have an agreement. So she said, alright then, there's no that we're gonna marry. So the man I said, oh, like a sheep for spend the money. She said, no, it basically have to be two of us, because two of we into this together. So the two of us have to come together and put money. In the end, people, she said they do married. She pay for the limousine. She pay for everything. So the only thing the man pay for is the cake for the wedding. She do everything, people. You get me? I say everything. Only thing is the cake. And just say the ring. When she go to the place to buy the ring, people, and the man look on the ring, the man see a ring where him want is valued over 100,000 Jamaican. So she say, okay, no problem. So when she come for a man to buy for a ring now, people, the man only have 20,000. So she say, no, how you expect I should buy a ring for 100,000 while my ring is for 20,000? She end up buying a ring, we value the money like fame. Eventually, they knew married and thing, people, and you know, as me tell a relationship a back and forth and everything. This is a teacher, man, me I tell about, you know, people. He's a teacher at the time in Jamaica. Teacher, we are teaching at school. Well, people, after teacher and everything now, marriage and couple months and thing, so she trying to file for teacher and get him up a UK. She do everything, every process, people pay for everything. In the end, them not get teacher. You know what I mean? Teacher thing no work out, cause them a say yo, teacher thing look like a some fake marriage and things. So she get a lawyer upon the case and she appeal it and she do win the appeal and thing. One day appeal and thing and yeah, teacher get the bus. Teacher get the bus, so she buy teacher ticket and everything, people, and you know, bring up teacher in the UK bus. So she say, while she was traveling back and forth to Jamaica, people, she ensures a teacher things stashy. And for telling her again, people say when she do, the first time when she got the teacher house in Jamaica, people, say the house come like say you want to fall cup, because teacher keep the place nasty and dirty, and be a rat and something, and she go there and she clean up as a woman from UK because she couldn't live in that condition. You understand? So she wrote all over teacher have a food, buckle pan, ground, all type of nonsense in the teacher house. I don't know how the teacher lives, so like teacher just comes a boom. The teacher you never knows the cleanliness is next to godliness. A attack for the part the teacher. Alright, back to it now, new link. So she said people, she comes up boom, right? And she go over UK, teacher and everything. Teacher come a UK, people. During while teacher there UK, the first month she comes up boom now. The first 3 months, right? While teacher did it, she said one day I'll have problem go there. But she said teacher just always have a problem for him go there. Say if teacher, there's a family there, but teacher don't want to live like a family. So she comes up boom people, and if teacher brushing teeth, teacher take the toothbrush and in now put in at the bathroom with the other toothbrush, then they carry and go put in a room in a jar. Say when teacher comes up, woman teacher go make breakfast, teacher go make breakfast himself and she have her 2 youth, them the teacher not check for the body, teacher now live like a family. So she one and talk to him and I say no, we can't live like that, we have to live like a family. You here with us now, you should be their stepfather. She talk to him and everything, people. So one day now, she go keep something, right? Cause she know teacher don't really have the money to work now, go on and it just comes. So she go keep something like, and she keep a little jerk thing and she link up on her friend, a big man people, and I talk to him on the phone and everything. I understand if you invite him and if you come help her sort out. See a big man, 70-year-old man, and the man say, yeah man, and she say she go pay for your hotel fee and come stay and thing and talk to him as a good relationship and thing. She say she comes up one day and she a teacher start bother her up and say, what you gonna do? Can man come in the house and you know me there? From me know you have bunny or bun. She said, no, I'm not giving him the bun. So she said, at the time people, when she was talking on the phone to this man, you understand? Teacher wasn't around. So she wonder how him do hear that the conversation. She look back and say, how you do hear that conversation? I was even talk, you know, and me and this man is friend and everything. So when she comes up and she lick your time, people, teacher say, you know, say I want record and me sitting at the house, do I me hear everything. So Jesus and peace. Say no, they can't work. So from this now I look at argument develop and she said, people, that happen like say, she said next year gonna make 2 years now. So this happened last year July, she said people. And she said teacher comes a boom and pack a bag, packing suitcase. I said where you pack all the things? Say he might go cool out, he might go chill, he want clearing head people. I said teacher comes a boom and make a move. And she said from that day, teacher move out of house people. Teacher now come back, teacher saying Ghana one of friends them and family them. So she said one day teacher confessed to him and said, listen you know so me I be honest here. Me there so and they pray so me there as a Christian person and then tell me say me can't me not have to come back with there and them I go help me for just get me divorce sort out and then I go help me for get me real paper over here so honestly teacher confess and say you know say I just is bossing did want to come over the people. She say in the end people she find out who teacher is so she comes a boom and she ensure say she cancel everything for teacher. So she let the people them link teacher and say look you know we know such and such no straight and such no right. Because teacher that try to put in paper and think people. So the people them link teacher and say, no, it better you do teacher. It better you find and take the plane and go head back right to Jamaica. In the end, people, the teacher call her and a cuss her and I said this and that to her. Oh, she wicked and she know Jamaica rough and tough. But she said she look back and see all of the good she do for teacher people. And the ungratefulness of teacher treat her and cuss her and class her and confess. So you what the bossing did want in there. Want her say all of these years she had travel back and forth to Jamaica people. Buying teacher so much things, plan so much things with teacher. Plan for buy teacher car a yard. Teacher no want put no money towards the car people, all type of something she do for teacher. And in the end, people, teacher disappointed her. You know? So now people, say New Link, I want you to share my story, people. And that's why New Link comes up, boom, and I cover the story of my viewers and subscribers out there for you to hear. And you just leave up in the comment section and tell me what you do think about these people. What you do think about the teacher. You understand? Was the teacher, what you do think? But for me, people, honestly, me really think about the whole story, you know, in every part and every creases of the story, people. I do think. And, you know, when I do ask the female and say, was you a problem when the teacher come in? You was bothering us? And she said, no, me allow teacher for go road, me allow teacher for do what I feel like, do me allow teacher for be free. But teacher did have a different mindset. So you say, you teacher, New Link give you attack. You know, me I give a attack for the first thing when I do at Jamaica, you have a look on nasty house done there. Because as man, we feel be tidy and we feel be clean. Not even if we not woman around with teacher. So in the end, you get a attack teacher. And in the end, boy, me I tell you, you play the human teacher. You play her teacher. I don't know what make you do it, but people me say to her and I tell her the same thing. I say, listen here. You see the signs before. From me I send you money, go give the man and you see the first thing you send the money if you put in the account and he use half the money. Then I send money and he trick. If you tell the people now, remember me tell her saying she send money if you do teacher yard people like 2 times and in a day. So when she teacher reach England, teacher have the same infected teeth in her mouth to kill him, see him where teacher get money 2 times and say I do teacher and I do it. So these are the signs. Just show you. You know what I mean? I tell her people just show you the sign. You should have wise up. You know, but in the end, people, she's a teacher right now. Teacher, the him we are back to Jamaica. And teacher, not going to see back here now because it's set away and it's a lot of things are going. So, to my world, it's a really tough story and it's a tough situation and it's really sad on the teacher side. But boy, teacher, you cause everything for yourself. So in the comment section now, I want you all to just leave what you think about this situation, people. And maybe your words can give teacher local encouragement to be a better man and can give this lady a peace of mind. Because right now, people, she really feel hurt and disappointed. You know what I mean? Because she said this is the second Jamaican man to mess up something like that for her people. So she really feel disappointed and she really feel hurt about the whole situation. And she really want, you know, to get things do sort out and fix things, you know, in certain way. But, you know, she said it's really a disappointment for her people. And, you know, so we just see how this can work out and fix this thing. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is New Link, you know, from New Link Production. Now we say attack people and just love and respect and be good and be blessed. Peace out. Attack.